guess things in life are free, but you can give them to the birds and bees. I want money. That's what I want.
Hopefully like 30,000 I think. That would be nice.
That would be nice.
That would be nice.
That's what I want.
50k if you do your work good. 50k, that'll be the target.
That's what I want.
No idea.
I think 35 grand.
I want money.
No idea at all.
7 or 8 grand, I'd hope.
I want money.
£3,000.
I want money.
Nothing over 20 grand, I don't think.
That's what I want.
16,000 if it's full time, I think.
I want money. I want the money.
In my mind, fantasizing wise, like 100,000. But that's not gonna happen.